Today, I'll show you how to create a form using Google Drive. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a form, customize it with your own questions, and share it with others so you can collect responses quickly and easily. Let's start right at the beginning. First, open Google Drive in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. Your forms will be saved in the drive that's linked to the account you're currently using, so it's worth double checking before you begin. Once Google Drive is open, look toward the top left corner of the screen and click on the New button. This is the same button you'd use to create a new document, spreadsheet, or presentation. A drop-down menu will appear with different options for creating files. From that menu, find and select Google Forms. You might see it directly in the list, or you may need to hover over the More option to reveal it. As soon as you select Google Forms, it will open a new tab or window with your form ready to be edited. Now you'll choose how you want to start. Google Forms gives you two main options. You can start with a blank form, or you can use a template. If you choose blank form, you'll build everything from scratch. This is great when you have a specific structure in mind or want full control over every question. If you choose a template, you'll start with a pre-designed layout, such as an event registration, contact form, or feedback form. Templates can save time because they come with common question types already set up, which you can then edit or delete as needed. Once your form is open, you can begin adding questions and adjusting your settings. At the top, you can give your form a title and a short description so people know what it's for. Below that, you'll see your first question area. Click on the placeholder text to change the question and use the drop-down menu on the right of the question to select the type of response you want, such as multiple choice, short answer, checkboxes, or a drop-down. You can add more questions using the plus icon and rearrange them by dragging and dropping until they're in the order you want. Take a moment to explore the settings as well. You can choose whether responses are collected with email addresses, whether people can submit more than once, and if they can see a summary of results after they respond. You can also customize the confirmation message that appears once someone submits the form, which is a nice way to thank them or give them next steps. When you're happy with your questions and settings, you're ready to share the form. To do that, click the Send button, usually found in the top right corner. A window will appear with several options. You can send the form directly by email, copy a link to share in a message, chat, or on a website, and in some cases even embed the form into a web page. Choose the method that works best for your situation, then share it with your audience. And that's it. You've created a form in Google Drive, customized it with your own questions, and learned how to share it so you can start collecting responses right away.